Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts in LibreOffice Writer. So if you would like to do it, you need to go to Tools tab, and after that you need to go to Customize. Now this window should be successfully displayed here, but of course we are interested in to go to Keyboard Settings, so I go there. And now you can find here a lot of really useful shortcuts. How you see, some of them are already in use, so we need to find the keys that are not assigned. For example, I use combination of keys in my keyboard Alt-D. How you see, this shortcut is not assigned now. Okay, so if we would like to add something to this combination, we need to select it from the list. For example, I go to Documents, and I will add here a function, for example, export as PDF. And now we will try to assign this action to shortcut keys Alt-D. So I click here Assign. How you see, it has been displayed on the list. So now we can click OK button to make modifications. Okay, so now I can click Alt-D combination, and how you see, PDF exporting window has been successfully displayed here. So how you see, shortcut is working properly. So it's all for today. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.